Hi everybody, Cody West here, Radius Outfitters. Today we're going to go over some great gift ideas for the holidays. Whether your guy's into Jeeps, Tacomas, Baja 500, or whether he's into sports cars and performance SUVs, we've got gifts for him. So we're going to go through, I think, at least a half dozen ideas for you. We have these in stock and they're great for the hard to buy Ford man. All right, first up, we've got our Gearbox lineup available in 3 sizes. This is the 3500, 3000, and 5500. Think of these as like a luggage quality storage system for any vehicle. You know, removable lid, nestable lid, removable dividers. We built these things to be sound vaults, keep the loud shit quiet. Perfect for the back of performance SUVs or overlanding vehicles alike. Next up is our small gear tote and our large gear tote. These are not your typical flimsy totes. These are man totes. They've got hard bottoms, grab handles, shoulder handles, wipeable, durable liner, key hook, tons of external pockets. I love my small one for groceries and gym bag. Big one I use for firewood, tools, bike bag, you name it. Tons of uses. Super versatile piece, one of my favorites from Radius. All right, next up is our Radius tool wrap. We love this thing, super well made, durable. If your man's like me, he hates hearing rattles and squeaks and shit in the vehicle. I've got this thing loaded with about 35 pounds of gear, and you can't hear him rattling around or banging against each other. This thing's totally adjustable, kind of wraps up like a burrito, leather grab handle. Anyway, awesome gift idea for the man in your life. All right, next up, we've got our small and our large trash tubes. This is our small one. You can hang it from any seat back. You can tether it below as well to keep it snug to the seat back. We also have 4 molly points. If your man's into overlanding, you probably know what a molly board is. We built in this retention ring that pops out that actually allows you to get a nice trimmed, quiet top of trash bag. Not if, but when people overstuff this, you can, this full length zip, pull the trash bag out from below, pop a new one in and go. Not just for the overlanding folks, but for minivans, sprinter vans, Jeeps, mom haulers, you name it. We have our laundry / wet gear tube. Hangs from a seat back, hangs from a molly board. There's a full zip to pull stuff out of here. We also provide the retention ring, just like the large trash tube, so that you can line this with a bag if you wanna. It could double up as an extra trash bag or recycle bag. Anyway, super versatile piece, inspired by a Grand Canyon river trip, dish drying mesh bag, but more of a personal size than the ones they use on the river. This will handle 4 to 6 place settings for a family. Several, large pockets for salad mixing bowls, plates, silverware, utensils, 2 straps to hang from above, 1 from below to lash to whatever. What I love, because I hate putting stuff away, is I just leave my dishes in here for days or weeks when I'm on the road. All right, don't tell my wife. So Radius laundry bag, dish bag, 2 great gift ideas from Radius. All right, guys, stocking stuffer ideas for the hard to shop for man. We have a whole line of products called Strap Your Shit. If the word shit offends you, this isn't for you. But for the rest of you, these are great stocking stuffers. We have 1.5-inch cam straps. These are super heavy duty, up to 12 feet for now in various lengths. We also have 1-inch straps, also up to 12 feet. They're printed with Radius. They're also printed with the length of the strap. And on the back, it says radiusoutfitters.com, strap your shit. We also do 3 different lengths of black rubber stretchy straps. These are great for lashing stuff to your mountain bike, strapping skis together, lashing aluminum tubes together in the van, whatever, to keep things quiet and secure in the vehicle. Strap your shit, stocking stuffers. Check us out, radiusoutfitters.com. All right, guys, thanks so much for watching our holiday gift ideas. All the stuff's available at radiusoutfitters.com. Most of it's available at alvans.com. There's better detailed videos and specifications on our website. And have a great holiday. Thanks for watching.